In the world of research and diagnostics labs, Agilent integrates instrumentation, consumables, software, automation, and services to support customers from research and development through manufacturing and quality assurance. It operates through three primary segments: life sciences and diagnostics markets, LSAG, Agilent CrossLab, and applied markets, supported by centralized order fulfillment and supply chain operations, OFS, and a global infrastructure organization providing finance, IT, legal, HR, and procurement services. With over 18,000 employees worldwide, major R&D and manufacturing sites span the US, Europe, and Asia Pacific. While sales are primarily conducted through direct channels, supplemented by distributors, resellers, manufacturers, representatives, and e-commerce platforms. Naturally, the life sciences and diagnostics markets, LSAG, is Agilent's largest and most diversified segment, employing about 6,300 people and serving roughly 22,200 customers last year. Its portfolio spans 7 major areas: liquid chromatography, LC, and LC mass spectrometry, LCMS, cell analysis platforms such as flow cytometry and live cell imaging, specialty CDMO services for GMP-compliant oligonucleotide and targeted therapeutic manufacturing, pathology solutions for cancer diagnostics, companion diagnostics developed with pharmaceutical partners, genomics tools supporting next-generation sequencing and gene analysis, and biomolecular analysis systems for DNA, RNA, and protein quality control. LSAG primarily serves pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical companies, diagnostics and clinical laboratories, academic and government institutions, and applied markets such as chemicals, advanced materials, food safety, environmental testing, and forensics. Manufacturing supports highly customized systems, assembled to order, and standardized products built to stock. U.S. facilities are located in California, Colorado, Delaware, Iowa, Massachusetts, Texas, and Vermont, with international sites in Canada, China, Denmark, Germany, Malaysia, and Singapore. Several sites are FDA registered. Agilent CrossLab delivers lab-wide services, consumables, software, and automation, serving approximately 59,700 customers last year, covering maintenance and repair services, compliance and consulting support, SaaS solutions, asset management, and enterprise lab services. Its vendor-neutral consumables portfolio includes chromatography columns, sample preparation products, and laboratory supplies, generating recurring revenue. The Open Lab software suite supports instrument control, data analysis, regulatory compliance, and enterprise-wide data sharing, while automation enhances sample preparation and workflow efficiency. CrossLab manufacturing operates in the U.S., Germany, the Netherlands, Singapore, and the U.K., with service teams in 28 countries. The applied market segment employs about 2,500 people and serves approximately 17,200 customers. It provides gas chromatography, GCMS, spectroscopy, vacuum technologies, and certified pre-owned instruments for applications in chemicals, advanced materials, environmental testing, forensics, food safety, academia, and pharmaceuticals. Manufacturing facilities are located in Delaware and internationally in Australia, China, Italy, Malaysia, and Singapore. As part of its expanding digital pathology portfolio, Agilent introduced the Agilent S540MD slide scanner system in select European markets. Designed for high-throughput pathology laboratories, the whole slide imaging system can hold up to 540 slides with continuous loading and standard rack compatibility. It features automated scanning modes and AI tissue detection to help labs digitize glass slides and implement efficient digital workflows. The S540MD is Agilent's branded version of the Hamamatsu Photonics NanoZoomer S540MD, developed through collaboration between the two companies. The system is initially available as an in vitro diagnostic (IVD) device in Germany, France, Belgium, Spain, Austria, Luxembourg, Italy, the the UK, and Switzerland, under applicable European regulatory frameworks, with broader European expansion planned for 2026. The launch strengthens Agilent's end-to-end digital pathology offering, spanning staining, imaging, and AI decision support. Agilent also received FDA approval for its PDL1IHC22C3 PharmDx diagnostic test to identify patients with epithelial ovarian, fallopian tube, or primary peritoneal carcinoma, whose tumors express PDL1 and may be eligible for treatment with Merck & Co.'s immunotherapy Keytruda, pembrolizumab. This approval allows pathologists to assess PDL1 expression at diagnosis to guide first-line treatment decisions in patients with platinum-resistant disease. It marks the 7th FDA-approved companion diagnostic indication for PDL1IHC22C3 PharmDx in connection with Keytruda. The approval was supported by results from the KEYNOTE-B96 trial, which included 643 patients with platinum-resistant ovarian cancers. Among patients with PDL1-expressing tumors, those treated with Keytruda plus chemotherapy, paclitaxel with or without bevacizumab, demonstrated improved outcomes compared to chemotherapy alone. Median progression-free survival was 8.3 months versus 7.2 months, and median overall survival was 18 months versus 14 months. Keytruda was approved for eligible adult patients whose tumors express PDL1, CPS greater than or equal to 1, and who have received 1 or 2 prior systemic treatments. The FDA review was conducted under Project Orbis, which facilitates concurrent oncology drug review among international regulators. PDL1IHC22C3 PharmDx is also approved in the U.S. to guide Keytruda treatment in several other cancers, including non-small cell lung cancer, cervical cancer, triple-negative breast cancer, and gastric cancer. Then, aside from product launches and updates, long-term investors also stay with Agilent for the quarterly dividend of 25.5 cents per share. Now, to keep an eye on Agilent, its ticker symbol is A. Yeah, just the letter A. So simple, just like TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.